grab your hat, it's time to play. We're going out with Pepe.
All right, let's continue our tour. Look at this little gateway, this little archway.
Another twist.
It's a kind of honeysuckle, right?
Honeysuckle. It's called Major Walker is the variety.
Grandma, if you're going to talk, I have to hand you the microphone. And there's Nikki over there. And Nikki has a little brother, but he's hiding.
And this is a real interesting plant too.
Okay,
it's
let's
called
take a look at this one.
Summer Sweet or Sweet Spire. This gets brilliant white clusters of flowers that are very extremely fragrant that the bees love. They're just starting to bud out.
Wow.
Summer Sweet.
While we were sitting here at lunchtime, we saw on these little bushes here that are called vermilion. These little vermilion, they're also sometimes called a
Firecracker plant or a cigar plant.
Or cigar plant.
The way
the hummingbirds love them, and they put their little tongue right in the flower, and they drink the nectar. They drink the sweet honey out of those flowers. And now we're going to come to the part that we were waiting to show you. Look it over here. These are Mr. Jan's koi fish. So koi fish, they kind of look like goldfish, don't they?
Get some food for the fish.
Because goldfish are a type of koi fish. And look at this pond that they grow in. And they live in here. They live here. Oh, look, he's going to feed them.
Come on, little piggies.
Little piggies. Oh my goodness. Look at them eat. Holy cow, they're like sharks. Look how beautiful. Goes all the way up there and the water comes down. And not only is it beautiful because of the water going down, but that does something else that's really important. What does it do, Mr. Jan?
Oxygenates the water.
Oxygenates. It puts air in the water for the fish. Because even though you might not know it, the fish are underwater and they're breathing, but they breathe in a different way. They breathe underwater. And look at the special plants. And we know what those are called, right, you guys?
Yeah, that water lily, and that's called Miss Siam.
Those are from our favorite song that we sing, The Little White Duck. He swam right up to the lily pad. Wow. Nobody goes swimming in this pond, right?
No.
Not even the dogs?
No.
No.
No, dogs are kind of afraid of water.
Do you name these fish?
They all have names. The yellow one is called Lemonhead. The one with the red spots there is called Ferrari.
Ferrari.
There's one of the orange ones is called V8.
You could have had a V8.
Bernadette knows the names on all of them. I don't know them all, but
Mrs. Jan probably has a lot of names. So see this beautiful place? And this all helps nature because the fish love it. The birds come and drink. The bees and hummingbirds and butterflies come here. So it's really important. We even have some bees over here that have a house in the rocks. I can show you where that is. So one of the things we learned is you don't need to be afraid of bees. You stay away from bees and you let them do their own thing, but the bees do some special things for us. I'll have Mr. Jan, because these are his flowers. What are some of the things that bees do?
pollinate, so we get more flowers.
All right. So kids, you need to know that. So what happens is, in order for all of these things to grow, you need a bee or a butterfly or a hummingbird or something to come and actually go on this flower, and they spread pollen, and pollen is how the plants grow and survive, which is an important thing. So I think that's about it, but we wanted to say thank you to Mr. Jan for showing us around, and it was really nice. This is a great tour.
Thanks for stopping over.
Yes. Someday when you see fish now, you can tell your friends that you know that they're called koi fish. You know that there are certain plants that butterflies love. And you know it's important to take care of these things because it helps the butterflies and the bees. There's so many different kinds of plants here, and they're taken care of very carefully. And in the wintertime, everything goes to sleep. In fact, in the wintertime, these fish, they stay right here in this water. And what happens to water in the wintertime? It freezes. Well, this will get covered over with ice. And Mr. Jan and Miss Bernadette have a bubbler that goes under the water, and it keeps a hole in the ice. And the fish go all the way down in the bottom there, and there's a cave that they stay in the wintertime. So when the wintertime comes, they go in there and they stay until the spring. And this is the time of year that they love the most because they can come out and swim around and enjoy the good weather. All right, I think that's it for now. So goodbye.
Bye.
Maybe turtles, maybe bees, maybe dancing autumn leaves. We climb, we splash, we laugh out loud under the sun or a puffy cloud. Woo!